Hey, I'm Big Jeff coming to you, and look what I'm holding in my hand. Excess power 40 amp lithium cell. Now, I've been told these things are hard to get, and I'll tell you why. Because we buy them up. I love it. So, again, we bought like 2,000 of them. I believe there's only like one or two other people that even have them. It's the name of the game. The bigger you get, the more control you have. Don't do it for that reason. Obviously, we're here to make money, but at the same time, we're also here to give good deals. So we have them on our website. You can buy these singular if you need to replace one. You can buy this as a 6-pack to get you your 13.5 40 amp. You can buy them 12 of them to get you 80 amps, or you can buy as many as you want. We also have on there big shout out to Ill Customs. We've been working with them on the bus bars. There's a 6-cell and 12-cell. We also have them with the balancers. We bring them directly in. Always recommend using a balancer for the life of these things. If you don't use one, it's not going to blow up, but they're not going to last or work like you want them to work. So make sure you get a balancer. So you can go to Big Jeff Audio. We do have a drop down under car audio, then batteries, and then lithium cells. And you'll see all the different options. Drop it down, and I ain't gonna lie, we're probably one of two only people that even have these or a bulk of these, and we generally been known for this, and that's why we have all the different options. So very happy. Big shout out to Scotty Johnson, Sean Mayo, Excess Power, for working with us from when we started. They've been a big part of our growth here. When I first learned about a lithium cell, I'm like, man, people are going to spend that money. But it's an incredible thing. They do wonders. We're actually doing 48 plus in our Yukon Denali. And here it is. So you can go to our website. We have plenty. 40 amp cells. There is no, I think we have a few 35s by the time you watch this, probably not. And I don't think they're producing the 45s right now, or maybe not forever. I'm not sure. But we do have the 40 amp cells. So if you don't understand how this works, they are 2.3 volts per. You need 6 of them to create 13.5 volts around there. You can't just put 1 or 2 of these together. And then there are bus bars to connect these. And then there's bus bars to connect multiples. And then I always recommend the balancer. We have the 6S balancer in stock. You can add this to the cart. We'll ship it out. You always get something free in the box from Big Jeff Audio. So, shouting out, we got them. We got plenty of them. I don't want to say plenty because they go pretty fast, but we got plenty for right now. Get yours today. Big Jeff Audio.